Well, I'm trying something new today. I'm doing what's called a slack pack. So, the shuttle driver that picked me up yesterday so I could get my air mattress fixed, he gave me a lift back to the same place today. Hey, 20 miles by car, 15 miles by car, it's $1 a mile. Oh well, that's just what it is. I'll have to substitute some more days or something. So anyway, today I'm doing a slack pack. So pick up where I left off and I'll hike down to the hostel. Got my lunch, got my resupply all done yesterday. Dropped me off at the top of the hill. Now I get to walk in fog and rain and 20-mile-an-hour winds. It's 45 degrees. Oh yeah. I was kind of thinking, maybe I should just stay inside the pickup truck. Got the heater on. It'd be kind of nice. But that's all right. That's all right. I think I have a 10-mile walk today. Theoretically, it'll all be downhill. Although, just like every morning, hey, it starts off uphill. I'm so lucky. My favorite is to go uphill. But true to form in Tennessee, because I'm right on the border, right back and forth constantly. It's all fogged in and there's no views. So it occurs to me, I didn't say what slack packing was. Slack packing is where you slack off for the day. You leave all your heavy stuff, my tent, my sleeping bag, my cook kit, all the heavy stuff behind, everything except the 10 essentials. And for those of you that are new to backpacking or hiking or whatever, I never go into the woods or in a hike without certain essential things. I'm not sure I can hit all 10 of them here, but a pocket knife, rain gear, first aid kit, flashlight, lighter, that's only 5, water, 6, food, 7, I'm missing 3, but I'm confident that I have everything that I will be, if I needed. I got a plastic bag I could use, if I needed to. A warm layer. So that's 8. Yeah, so I got a puffy jacket inside here, so I can put on more layers. I've got these great Showa gloves. I had to order them from Canada. They're Japanese fishing gloves. I wish Amazon would carry them. These are fantastic. They're kind of like a breathable Playtex glove is the best way I could describe it. My hands don't sweat inside them, and it's great. I got a warm hat. So I'm missing a couple. But anyway, y'all can look up the 10 essentials. I don't go in the woods without those things, and I don't think you should either. I've got a cell phone. That's not one of them, but call it number 11. That's an add-on, maybe an inReach if you had something like that. But I'm too cheap to afford that. And typically, there's people all over the trail. But anyway, I get to hike today carrying 5 pounds versus 25 pounds or whatever, and it's nice. Now, I do have to be careful that I don't take giant steps and suddenly walk 4 miles an hour because I'll injure myself, especially on the slick stuff. But I'm very thankful for this rhododendron thicket blocking the wind and the fog for a few minutes. And now I've had my break, I better get after it. Well, after you get out of the rain a couple of minutes, your brain will come back to you. And when you sit down and relax a few minutes, and of course it's warmer now because, well, it stopped raining and I've been hiking for 2 hours or 3 hours. Anyway, I remembered the other 2 items that are on the list of the 10 essentials, a compass and a map. And of course, you're supposed to bring your brain with you and know how to use all that kind of stuff. So those things are helpful. And so there's the 10. I'll leave a complete list below in the description, or y'all can look it up. I'm sure you can Google it without a problem. Well, I'm enjoying this slack pack opportunity. I've hiked 10 miles in 3.5 hours, and wow, it's pretty nice. I wanted to show you all these nice colorful leaves here. It's definitely fall here in the mountains. Again, this is Erwin, Tennessee, but yeah, not any reds down in here. I'll have to get up on a mountain in order to see reds, but this is still pretty. I guess I could have checked my Thermarest pad in that creek there, Might have been a little chilly to do that, but wow, sure is nice. So I'm at a trail junction. National Park Service was kind enough to put up this sign for me, telling me I could go to that adventure resort. We could stay there, we can get water there, we can get food, Wi-Fi, get a shower, maybe use the restroom, do my laundry, get a drink. I could go rafting. All I gotta do is go that way. Ah, too bad. There's a white blaze going this direction. Well, looks like I'll have to skip out on the rafting today. Anyway, I could have gone on the Nolichucky River. That sounded pretty cool to get on a Nolichucky River, but I think I better miss on that. You can hear it in the background. Yeah, you know, 45 degrees and whitewater rafting, probably not a good idea right now. Well, here we are at the Nolichucky River. You can tell how much the water's down. It wouldn't be much fun to whitewater raft on this. It's just a little shallow. Although there is a fair amount of water, but you'd be hung up in those rocks. But boy, it sure be exciting when there's more water. Wow. The exciting part for me is that my day is done, because right over there, just in the trees, is my destination for today. That's my hostel. So, yay, done for the day.